This video is to show you how to add users to existing groups on Fusion. You can add users to classes and learning spaces, but just remember that if your Fusion platform is linked with your school MIS system, the members of your classes are defined by the MIS system, and it's there that you will change the members of your class. It is, however, possible now to add teachers to classes manually on Fusion, even though classes are linked with your MIS system. So let's see how to add members to groups. I'm going to go to Learning Spaces, and I'm going to choose one of my groups, and I go to the Options menu, the three dots on the right. I go to Manage Members, and what I do is I select people from the left and I put them into the list of members on the right. When I'm selecting on the left, I can choose from all types of groups of people. And I'm just going to select some random students. And further down the page, I decide what rights or permissions those students are going to have when they join the group. For students generally, you would use the View Only option, where they can see what's in the group, they can download, but they can't touch or change what's in there. You might add people as contributors, where they're allowed to upload a file but not to change the contents. Or you can add people as managers, and this is the default for teachers, where they have the rights to add and change the contents of a group, but also to change the members of a group. Now the people I've ticked are students, so I'm going to add them as view-only members. And immediately you can see they jump over to the list on the right-hand side. The icons here tell me what level of rights the people have, and I can tick anyone at any time and remove them from this group. So what if I have one person and I want to add that person to multiple groups? Well, if I have admin or admin manager rights on the system, I can go to Manage User Manager. I can select people on the left, just like we did before, and then I can go to Manage Groups on the right. And we have all the groups in the system, all the classes, and all the learning spaces. And for each of these, the groups that the teacher is a member of are at the top, and the groups that the teacher is not a member of are at the bottom. And I can go to any of these groups and add this person as a manager or contributor or view only and save changes. And then I go to classes and I can do the same. So that's how to add users on Fusion to be members of groups.